What the heck? Why is she doing this? My poor eyes. This is her. I don't wanna watch this. But she is a old hate YouTuber. Willow is right. Willow is telling the truth that Rowella is a old hate YouTuber. Be, gusto ko na matulog be. 2:27 na. Putek.